Hey, it's Anissa and Zach, and today we have for you a must-have item. It's a hand crank flashlight, and what that means is it's got a battery inside, but if it ever drains, you just crank it up and it'll charge it and it'll always be ready to use.
Yeah, and now you won't be laboring yourself with the cranking. This is an emergency feature to this. You can actually charge this up using the included USB cord before you put it in your glove box or your bug out bag. So it's nice and charged up and ready to go, but if you do start to drain the battery, you can crank it. Now, while it is a really nice flashlight, it's not just a flashlight. You actually have an FM radio on here as well, making this great for emergencies and camping, and it also has a battery backup for your cell phones and tablets as well. You can plug Android or Apple devices into this. It's just a USB outlet, and that's great for other devices other than phones as well, whether it's a GPS system, Bluetooth earbuds, a digital camera, whatever you might have that recharges via USB.
Now, while this is made for emergencies, it's really great for everyday use because if you travel, you've got everything you need right in here, and we have a phenomenal price. Plus, when you buy more,
You save more. So head on over to the site and grab one or two today.